Your 2015-2016 Chevy Colorado uses a transponder key, which contains a chip that communicates with the vehicle's immobilizer system. This prevents theft. Programming a new key yourself is possible, but requires specific steps. You'll typically need two working keys to add a third and cycle the ignition in a particular sequence to enter programming mode. Newer aftermarket tools such as updated OBD2 scanners and key programmers from brands like Autel or Launch have made DIY pairing more accessible. The DIY programming method requires two existing programmed keys and involves cycling the ignition to enter programming mode. Start by inserting the first key and performing the on-run-off sequence to enter programming mode. Wait for confirmation like flashing dashboard lights, then repeat the process with the second key. You can program up to 8 keys this way. However, incorrect steps can activate the anti-theft system, potentially requiring a dealer visit for reset. According to the Automotive Service Association, 65% of DIY attempts fail, and wrong sequences can damage the ECU. Success depends on key condition and vehicle mileage.